You ready? Let's go!
Yeah, so Japan. We did a week in Japan, in between Taiwan, because my parents flew in from, oh, is this the track? Let's get rid of this crap. Shit. So, we did a week in Japan, at some beautiful onsen resorts in the mountains. Cable car cables. We're out sorta in country sorta. Lake, mountains, lake and mountains. Sunshine. Oh my god. Anyway, we're gonna go down here. A little steep.
Very steep.
Watch the cars. We should be going to the left. Looks like there's a little walking path. You know what I mean? Whoa.
Well, look how steep this is. You can't tell how steep it is.
If you walk up, you know. Nice mini workout.
Nice sneakers.
Look, I got this with the. That's why I went. And my parents met us there. So that was the reason we went. And at the ryokan, you get 2 free meals. Kaiseki style, like 20 courses each meal, like mini courses. And breakfast and dinner.
This is beef.
The vegetables off pretty quickly, I think. Yeah, it's beef. I like your beef.
Any idea how to cook for how many minutes?
So as I was saying, in Japan, saw my parents, oh yeah, 2 meals a day, breakfast and dinner. So first thing we had was a huge breakfast, and that like made you sleepy for like forever, and then you recover from that huge breakfast, and a few hours later you're having dinner. So wasn't very productive, didn't get much work done, didn't get any workouts in. So unfortunately we just relaxed. God damn it. So we went on a vacation and actually didn't work, which is bizarre. And as a result, very behind. My to-do list is doubled from what it was before, but it's still not over. We're still on the train to meet family. And then after like 2 days of family, we come back to Taipei and have another day of family. And then finally get back in the swing of things. So didn't prepare very well because mentally I didn't think of it as a vacation, since they were flying in to us. And I should have thought about that. I should have thought more clearly about that. But it's hard to think about vacations when your life is a vacation, when like literally you're working in places people save up all year to fly to on vacation. So there are some times when you really do have to. Anything else? Okay, there really are times when you have to not work. So, looking forward to working. Never thought I'd say that. Really look forward to being able to work again and getting a studio, getting a quiet place to do audio recordings. That's been a big challenge whenever you're traveling. So, looking forward to being stable for a bit. Yeah. Anything else? Japan?
The questions that you present to yourself are often not of your own. Often somebody asks you, what are you doing today? Or, so, what are you going to be doing for work today? Or something like that, right? So you're responding all the time. And this puts you in reaction mode, and you're not actually the agent of your life fully. But if you think more deeply about and you ask yourself, what is the primary question for that day, for that week, for the month, for the year, for my life, you can say no to a lot of the things that won't matter down the road a lot easier, and you'll be able to focus on the things that matter the most to you. People lead reactive lives instead of proactive lives, and they lose their own agency in that way. And I think a lot of us are used to that because since we went to school, we're just used to answering questions. School is basically just tests, and tests are just a series of questions that you're supposed to answer. There's an excellent rubric called Pick 3, or actually this was presented at one of our mastermind summits, and it was presented to us as Pick 3. I've seen it in other variations. So the idea is, I'll give an example of 6. So there's domains of life. You can only pick 3 to do well in. And in fact, if you want to be the best at one of those 6, you pretty much have to only do one. You have to pick one. But if you want to have a balanced life and still do, top 5% and top 1%, you can pick 3. And so here are the 6 components. So one is sleep, and another one is friends. Another one is family and loved ones. Another one is work and career. Another one is health and fitness. Another one is